we're trekking through this jungle for a cocktail. Hello everybody and welcome to a brand new video. Hope you are all doing well. It is 4:30 in a beautiful Phi Phi Island, and me and Adam and Kevin are taking you on a little stroll tonight. We've just left our resort, staying at Phi Phi Long Beach, and we've decided to go on a sunset stroll to Tonsai Pier. So Tonsai is the main town of the Phi Phis, and our resort is on the south of the island. And there's a jungle trek, we believe, that goes from here to the town.
We've come to the end of the beach here, so we're going to turn off and follow the signs into town. Might take about 20 minutes.
It's gone very jungly now, so we have to find the pathway to get through.
There it is.
Oh, over there, I think. Right, let's go guys.
Flip-flops on.
That is a good idea actually. Who knows what we will encounter on this journey. Could be a few millipedes, could be a few snakes, could be a few...
A thirsty Adam.
Let me guess. Thirsty for a cocktail?
Yeah.
Me too. That's our mission. Trekking through this jungle for a cocktail in Tonsai. Woo. This is a bit high, isn't it? There's even a rope here to help you climb it because it's that steep. Ugh. Come on, Adam.
It's quite the incline.
You got this.
Which way?
I don't know.
Follow the rope.
Follow the rope. The rope stops.
Oh, it's over already.
Really?
That wasn't much of a jungle trek. There we go.
Ah.
You did it.
Oh my god. Okay. What do we have here? Okay. Wow, that's cool. Wooden statue. We're just passing the statue and going down here.
You know you're in Southeast Asia when you nearly walk into one of these bad boys. Well, maybe not me because I'm 5'8", but someone might. And not 5 seconds later down the road.
That is so random.
That is so random.
I'm scared.
Okay.
I'm scared.
Okay then. Bye. 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 Bye.
Beware of monkey. Monkeys, monkey. Oh! So far, apart from the massive spider, this walk is quite pleasant. Look at this. Swing! Just gonna have to do it. I'm gonna have to do it. Me. This way, to town.
Do you love Phi Phi?
I love Phi Phi Island.
Well, that concludes the jungly trek part of the walk.
Thank God.
Should we have a little wildlife count? What do we see? Big ass spider.
Massive.
Big ass swan. That was
That
a
was
lot
a
more.
goose.
Was that a goose?
Yeah.
Okay, sorry, a goose. Yeah.
What else
We
did we
saw a
see?
hermit crab
Yeah.
and a cat that was licking itself.
And a Kevin.
And a Kevin. 5.
Right, so we're currently here on the map of Phi Phi and we've come across a lovely beach bar there. Got a swing outside. I'm not sure what it's called actually. Can't see. But it's beautiful. It feels like today has been the hottest day in Phi Phi so far. It's also been very stormy and cloudy the last 7 days. So today's our first day of proper sunshine and it's really like, I don't know, feels lovely though. Here we are at the town. Large steps to get up here. This is it.
Awfully quiet.
Very quiet. Where is everybody?
It is 5 o'clock on a Saturday.
Very quiet. Oh look, there's 2 people there. So we're coming into the main part and we have seen quite a few more people. So slowly it's starting to get busier here, which is a good sign. So it's getting so much busier here now. We've got loads of restaurants along the sides. We've got some shops. What a view to eat dinner at. We have a McDonald's and a Burger King. Right, it's super busy around here now. That looks nice. Coffee club, yeah. A lot more lively. This looks like the main kind of strip. So there should be plenty choice of getting a cocktail tonight. Phi Phi coconut ice cream. This looks unreal.
Got a coconut, crank it open, get the water out, take the meat out, and then pop the coconut ice cream inside.
Oh my god. Oh wow. Got some toppings there, sprinkles, peanuts. What are those? Popcorn.
Thank you. What are you having on there?
The same, please.
Thank you.
Yeah.
You can
Thank you. Thank you. Yum! Wow, it's so pretty.
Got to try this right away. Perfect. Perfect.
So this is where we came to the other night, where we watched the fire show and had bucket. And who knows, maybe a repeat of that. We have found the place to get our cocktails, and that is Ron Mai at the Phi Phi Princess Resort. It's right on the beach here, and it's happy hour. Buy one get one free. Oh, cocktails have arrived. Cheers.
Cheers. Imagine everything smashed.
Whoa, that's strong.
Do you want to try that?
And you're strong.
It's really, really good. It's really
Biggest espresso martini I've ever seen.
it's not as sweet as you get back home.
Oh, yum.
Nice. Want to try that?
Good. How's yours?
Fretti. Can I try your rum and coke? Oh my god, that's more Cuba than Libre.
This is so strong. This is like the strongest cocktail ever. There's way more rum in here than Coke. But I'm not complaining. No!
Check out this sunset, people. Oh my god. Sun's gone right behind that hill. And now it's time for dinner. How's your burger?
Unbelievable.
Burger King in Thailand is so much better than the UK. And we're back at Freedom Bar again for the fire show. Cheers.
Cheers.
You never learn.